Okay, so sorry. There is no need for you to feel insecure about your face, whether it's your eyes, your nose, your lips, your teeth, your forehead, your ears, your hair. There's no need for you to feel insecure about your neck, your shoulders, your breast, if you're a woman, your stomach, your hips, your legs, your feet, your fingers, your fingernails, or anything else, whether it's emotions, whether it's things that's going on in your life, family problems, boyfriend problems, girlfriend problems, pet problems. Nothing should make you feel insecure or like you're not worth anything. And I know it's hard because you're like, man. And I know, sometimes we dictate the way we should feel by somebody else, or we dictate the way we feel by what society says we should be or what we should look like. And we dictate the way we feel by someone we look up to who isn't being the right mentor to you. So and I know it's hard to be fully insecure in who you are, and no matter what the situation. And I struggle with insecurity all the time. But then it's like, wait a minute. God made me with His eyes wide open. God made you with His eyes wide open. He made no mistakes. Every mole, every freckle, every birthmark, and even the scars that you got while a kid or even now, they're all meant to be where they are for a reason, no matter what, no matter where. So I think we need to learn to embrace ourselves. We need to learn to realize that you are beautiful, I am beautiful, you are handsome, you are wonderfully and beautifully made. And the reason why I decided to say that is because, I met someone tonight and me and her had this talk. And I mean, she has her insecurities with some things. I told her mine, and it was just like, man, it sucks when, like, it sucks that everybody feels that way, but it's one thing though when you and someone else can open up to each other. And I just was like, you know what, wow. So, and I'm learning to really love myself for who I am no matter what, because I just got out of a relationship and I'm still hurt from it. My heart is still broken, but I can't I can't use that, to dictate who I am or dictate me as a person, because I know that I'm a wonderful person, and I know that people in my life love me for who I am regardless. So, anyways, love yourself, because remember, God made you with His eyes wide open. You are who you are for a reason. You have a purpose, and no matter what anyone says, no matter what anyone does, it ain't about them. It's about you, and it's about your life, the decisions you made, and what all that matters at the end of the day is that you're happy.